Today I wanted to show you what's in my I can cook pretty much anything I want kit that I can take for overnight camping. Made the little sack. I have a bowl. Here's my utensils. My stove, extra fuel, and in my sack are my pots. Take out my stove here and show that to you in my stove sack. I have a little box stove. Where I keep a fire starter in case I'm having a wood fire and matches. There's all the little accessories for the stove. And there's one stove. This kit actually has two stoves. I'll show you my utensils that I carry with me. A sponge, of course. There's the primary fuel. This is for my skillet, a little handle for my skillet, a lighter, fork, spoon, oil. This is a little kit that also has a fork and spoon in it. This is soap, a knife, a blow stick for the fire, for my skillet, a little spatula, and a little all-purpose tool, pliers. Really nifty little thing. In the actual kit, I have my frying pan. If I want to make eggs or something. I have tea, coffee, and bouillon. Inside this cup, I have another pot with a bale. Obviously, lots of scrubbies and paper towels. This is a windscreen. Extra lid. My main pot. Inside is my cup and my stoves. Also, if I want to bake, I have a little silicone baking. And you say, how can you bake in this? You would fix this on the fire sideways. Put the little baking sheet in there. Put in your muffin and cook it. The stoves work like this. There's a round alcohol stove with the windscreen. There's a windscreen with this box stove that gets applied here. Take that extra piece out there. Put the windscreen in so you're protected if you have an alcohol fire in there. This is my other alcohol stove, which goes in there. Now when I'm cooking, I can also put a small fire in there, make coals, and I can actually grill a hot dog on here, or even a hamburger. I have plenty of tin foil. If I need to make this sturdier, I want something sturdier than that, which actually this is pretty sturdy. But I also have extra feet that go around the rin screen to make it sturdier. Actually fits in the rin screen at these points. So I put that in there. And now the windscreen and pot stand are super sturdy. The little stove comes with this topper so that you can cook smaller pots on here as well as larger ones. So I can cook several things, have them prepped, and even have an extra pot. And of course, my cup to drink out of. That's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. Happy hiking.